Meaning of forfeiture.
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 Forfeiture. Forfeiture refers to the loss or surrender of something as a penalty for wrongdoing or breaking a rule or law. This could include the loss of property, money, or even freedom as a punishment for committing a crime or violating a contract. The result of forfeiture is that the individual or party who committed the offense is stripped of their possession or privilege, and it is transferred to another party. This serves as a deterrent to others who may consider similar actions, and reinforces the importance of following rules and laws.